Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you various animal sounds that Google Home can make. This is pretty interesting. If you have a small kid, you will enjoy, they'll have fun listening to these various sounds from Google. What I've heard is Google can make over 100 different animal sounds. In this video I'm not going to go through all of them. I'll just show you 10-15 odd various animal sounds, and you can try different animals and post them in the comments. So let's start. Okay Google, make lion sound.
This is a lion.
Okay Google, make sound of a dog.
This is a dog.
Okay Google, make sound of a cat.
This is a cat.
Okay Google, make sound of an elephant.
This is an elephant.
Okay Google, make sound of a panther.
This is a black panther.
Okay Google, make sound of a wolf.
This is a gray wolf.
Okay Google, make sound of a dinosaur.
This is a dinosaur.
Okay Google, make sound of an ape.
This is an ape.
Okay Google, make sound of a monkey.
This is a monkey.
Okay Google, make sound of a chimpanzee.
This is a chimpanzee.
Okay Google, make sound of a cow.
This is a cow.
Okay Google, make sound of a buffalo.
This is an American bison, sometimes known as a buffalo.
Okay Google, make sound of a donkey.
This is a donkey.
Okay Google, make sound of a penguin.
This is an Adelie penguin.
Okay Google, make sound of a dolphin.
This is a dolphin.
So yeah, these were some of the sample sounds that your Google Home can make. And if you are trying this out on a mobile device or a Google Home Hub which has a display, you also get a photograph of the animal. In the video you can see some of the screenshots that I have posted. So yeah, try them out and post them in the comments if you like something special. Take care. Bye.